Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today we're going to be making a Get Well card featuring art impressions. If you're like me, you may struggle with creating masculine sympathy themed cards, so I thought I'd share a little inspiration. Let's dive right in. First up, I stamped and die cut the main images with Magenta Tuxedo black ink on ultra smooth cardstock. Today I'm reaching for my Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. You guys know that I love that all three blends are in one pen, taking all the guesswork out of coloring. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll go in and add highlights if necessary. For today's card, I am using the Fair Skin blend, Gold Brown blend, Blue Turquoise blend, Coral blend, Magenta blend, Purple blend, Ice Gray blend, and IG1 to add a shadow effect. If you happen to color outside the lines, no worries. You can just reach for your blender pen and the alcohol solution will push the color back into place. My favorite thing about art impressions are their sassy sentiments. A close second is being able to design outfits, and today I'm going to take full advantage. Now that our images are all colored in, we can move on to the card front. Off camera, I went ahead and die cut an A2 size stitched rectangle with striped pattern paper. I was going for a wallpaper look and grounded the scene with a light wood grain scrap piece of pattern paper. For our sentiment, I'm going to pair the "That's Why They Call It the ICU" with a "Hang in There" sentiment strip from my stash. And to help get the perfect placement, I'm going to reach for my Misty. With our sentiments all set, we can work on arranging the scene. For a little dimension, I added 3D foam tape to our gal. For a little something extra, I went ahead and also added gems for the earrings. And of course, no card is complete without coordinating sequins. Oh, and how can I forget? I love to add glossy accents to different accessories, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to her purse. And then this is when I realized that I actually forgot to add polka dots to her dress. So I reached for my white gel pen and added a random pattern. And here's the finished card. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.